Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we're going to solve another coolest question, which is rotate string. So basically what we do in this question, we have to rotate this complete string. Okay, so this question is similar to if you have solved any previous question like rotate integers. It's quite similar to that only. Okay, the thing is like only in this one we have to return like we given a target and we have to rotate this string. Okay, so if the string after rotating meets the target, meets the goal, then it means it's rotated. So for that we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false for that. So let's just look at the simple example. That's all the question is saying. So let's just look at the simple example what it's saying. Okay, so it's saying like we have something given like a b c d e. Okay, and after the target is to achieve this c d e a b. Okay, so what did it mean? It means like the CDE will come in the front and AB will go in the back. Okay, but if you look in this one example, if given A B C D E and our target is A B C E D, it's target something like that. Okay, when we are solving this question, we have to check two things. The first thing is like, is the length are same? Yes, the length is same, both of them. Now what do we have to check? Like after rotating it, is it matching similar? Let's say like I rotate E, so let's say I rotate E. So after rotating it, my E will come over here. Okay, but what's happening over here? The E is going in the middle, so that's not a valid case. That's an invalid case. Okay, so that's all the thing is like the question is saying. So now you will like how you gonna solve this question. So just wait, the line, like the code of line is just only of one line of only code. So what I will do, I will just simply return it, and I will say return. First of all, I have to check the length. So I have to check is if my string length is equals to my goal length, is equals to my target length. If that's so, then it is true. Then we will check. Okay, then it means like it is true for that. Okay, and one more thing I will check. I will say s plus s. Now I will explain you what this means. Contains. Right, so what I'm doing over here, if you see, okay, if you look at over here, what I'm doing, I'm writing s plus s. So what it means? It means like something like a b c d e. So a b c d e plus a b c d e. You know, when you add these two things, so when you add these two things, what will happen? It will reverse it and it will give something like c d e a b. It will give something like this, because if you check, so if you look at over here, let me just remove this plus sign and let me make it a little bit closer to this one, a b c d e. Okay guys, so if you look at over here, like for example, like if I reverse this thing, if I reverse the 5, then what will happen? It will become the similar. Then if I reverse this 5, then what will happen? The a will come in the front side and bcd will go back. Similar for these one, similar for these one, and so on, so on. Okay guys, so that's the only thing I'm doing using s plus s. Okay, so by doing s plus s, what will happen? Like it will rotate it. It will my backward will come in the front and my front will go in the back. Like that only. Okay guys, I hope this thing is clear. The final thing is, let me just run this code and let's see whether it's accepting or not. Any compilation error, let's see. It's taking a little bit time. Not away. Okay, so I just did a little mistake. s.lang. Okay, I did a mistake in spelling. Okay, I hope now it's clear. Okay guys, and here you guys, so it's accepting. Let me just submit this one as well. Okay, and here we go. So guys, you see over here is running 100% faster. So what I have, so what's the time complexity in this one we are dealing with? The time complexity in this one we are dealing with is big O of n square. Alright guys, because we are checking it and we are just comparing this one, that's why. And you know, because like we are checking the things and we are rotating, that's why the like it depends on the n rotations, depend on the n rotations. Okay, and our space complexity is big O of n. Why? Because we are taking s plus s of length. Okay, so s plus s of memory. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. So that's the whole thing is. Ladies and gentlemen, if you still have any doubt, just do let me know in the comment section. And if you still don't understand anything, I will suggest you to post this video again. You will definitely gonna understand it. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you guys. Bye bye.